Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add files from your Google Drive into your Notebook LM. So as you can see here, I'm in Notebook LM and I can easily go ahead and create a new notebook. As you can see right here, once I click in that, I have a pop-up on my screen. And if I would like to input files, whether that could be any files, PDF, docs, pictures, videos, audio, whatever it is, I can access that from Google Drive as well. And this access a whole range of different format of files. As you can see right here, if I hover over and more, you can see a ton of different file formats that this actually accepts. So it accepts a lot, guys. And so to do that, you just want to go ahead and click on Drive, and you can find files within your drive here. You can go to My Drive and you can navigate through your folders and so forth, and you'll be able to find it. So you go to Drive and you want to just navigate back to My Drive, find your folders, locate where we have those files from, and you can go ahead and open them right in. You can also add files from shared with me, files at your favorite, and even from your computer if you want to do that as well. So this is how you can easily go ahead and, let's say, find files and import files, add files from your Google Drive right into Notebook. And that's it, guys.